Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stocks with a Vanguard Brokerage account. First, you'll need to open a Vanguard Brokerage account, which you can do easily online. Once your account is established, you'll fund it by linking a bank account for electronic transfers or by mailing a check. Make sure your account is fully verified and active before proceeding to place any trades. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth investing experience. After logging into your Vanguard account, navigate to the trading section. You can use the search bar to find specific stocks by their ticker symbol or company name. Vanguard provides various research tools, including company profiles, financial statements, and analyst reports. Take your time to review these resources to make informed decisions about which stocks align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Once you've identified a stock, click on its ticker and select the buy option. You'll then specify the number of shares you wish to purchase or the total dollar amount you want to invest. Next, choose your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a maximum price you're willing to pay. Always review your order details carefully before submitting. After reviewing all the details, confirm your order. Vanguard will process your request, and you'll receive a confirmation once the trade has successfully executed. You can typically view your new holdings in your portfolio dashboard within minutes. Remember to regularly monitor your investments and adjust your strategy as needed. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home setup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.